अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। ये हमारी आज का नेक्स्ट स्लाइड शो है और ये भी सिंगल एंट्री एंड इनकम्प्लीट रिकॉर्ड्स, द MCQs फॉर सिंगल एंट्री एंड इनकम्प्लीट रिकॉर्ड्स, and this is good for O-level students. The topic for O-level students is topic 9, and I must say here that it's very good for the intermediate students and for the BCom Part 1, MCom, and the students of MBA. Maybe they will also derive a lot of information from this slideshow. Now we go to the first question. Beth provides the following information, that is January net assets are on January 1 $28,000, and the on at January 31 it is $24,000. It is decreased. The drawings during the year were $3,000. What is the Beth's profit or loss during the year? See over here that we have the information related to net assets, but we have to find out the net profit or loss out of this information. So how to do this? Net profit or loss is equal to closing net assets plus drawings minus opening net assets, as net assets are always equal to the capital. This is understood formula information rather. So we just put in the figures over here. Closing net assets is 24,000 plus drawings, that is $3,000, and opening net assets, that is $28,000, will give us a net loss of 1,000 loss. Now we go to the next slide. A trader does not keep a full set of accounting records. How is net profit for the year calculated? Net profit to be calculated. Answer: the formula for net profit calculation is closing capital plus drawings minus additional capital, opening capital is equal to profit or the loss. This is the formula for this. And now to the next slide. It's very easy over here to locate. A sole trader provides the following information. Capital 1st January $60,000. During the year ended 31st December, means for the whole year, net profit was $12,000. Capital introduced in cash was $20,000, and private card paid from the business account was $10,000. What is the capital on 31st December? We have to find out. We are given the information related to capital, net profit, and we have to find out what is the capital on 31st December. Now closing capital on means on 31st December is equal to opening capital plus net profit minus drawings. So closing capital is equal to 60,000 plus 20,000. This is the additional capital, or we can say that the total capital we have. Opening capital was 60,000, and the additional investment or capital introduced in cash was 20,000. So this has to be added, and plus 12,000 is the net profit, minus 10,000, that is the purchase of the assets. For the assets is equal to $82,000. That is the closing capital for the company for the year. Now we go to the almost the last slide. Lease capital at the start of the year was $200,000. At the end of the same year, his capital was $220,000. his net profit was 60,000. What were his drawings? Very easy. Drawings is equal to opening capital plus net profit minus closing capital will give us the figure for drawings, and that is the $40,000. So this seems to be the last slide. I hope that you would understand it properly.